Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge. It all has to break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Menteri Rangba Gajalau Konrad Kongkol Sangma Ulapan Bana Bak Sarkar Kalatau ya kebut bathamai Bantungkam ya Doktor Badya kata kebut ke bathamai Latip kerteng gum ke Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board Konrad Ulaong balatau ya ke MMSRB namar ba ke Mpsc Kamshim lala setia ban khad interview kam ya Doktor nadu usnam araja khat nyo Idan chispa nyo penru tuli ki kam nagabenta ki specialist balai spa penru tuli nagabenta ki Doktor But shan hai ne lai banai ulaong baka buat kan sedang no man khot interview.
This is being done because there is a huge backlog of vacancies in terms of 176 vacancies for specialists and 366 vacancies for doctors. And this has been a problem because the Mpsc has not been able to conduct interviews and the necessary procedures since 2017. Of course, COVID was there in between, but in spite of that also, because of other recruitments in different departments, the Mpsc was not able to conduct the necessary recruitment processes and the interviews in order to regularize and to ensure that the procedure for interviews and selection is taken place for these over 500 posts for doctors that is there. So they are working, but some of them in 3F, some of them as casual basis. Hence, the process of recruiting them has to be done in a fast manner so that proper services can be given to the people, and hence this Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Services Recruitment Board has been created. Decision has been taken today, and our endeavor will be that in the next 2 to 3 months we will work towards ensuring that all these different posts that are there, though they are vacancies because they are not being regularized and doctors have not been recruited as per the due process. But of course, there are doctors working there. So it's not that doctors are not working, but they are working, as I said, under temporary basis or on the basis of 3F. And hence, a proper recruitment process must be conducted. And our efforts will be that in the next 2 to 3 months, we will try to ensure that all the recruitment processes for all these posts are completed through the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board.